Going to get you caught up for what you need to know for tomorrow with this weather. We know the kids are out practicing on football 2-a-days.
And that's not going away, so they'll be out there again tomorrow.
Oh, it's going to get hotter, too, and that's part of the problem. We always get prepared for summertime with heat, and we know it's going to happen. But now that we're officially into August, it's like our extended forecast is now starting to follow suit. Weather Aware was in effect for today, but we do expect another round of storms. The boundary which we had in place just didn't amount to much, so I canceled that this afternoon. But it's 92 degrees with a dew point of 74. The atmosphere is rich, full of moisture. 102 is what it feels like in Birmingham. And I've bypassed the temperatures, what they are on the thermometer. I'm just giving you what it feels like. 103 in Jasper, 102 in Tuscaloosa, as well as Hamilton, 97 in Gadsden, 98 in Anniston and Pell City. Right now, you feel like 99. Now, that boundary that was supposed to move through central Alabama, according to all of our model data, well, it started to fire south of I-85 and continues to track away from us. So we got the leftovers and just a little bit of air mass thunderstorms. A couple in Coleman County, Jefferson, back into St. Clair, Talladega, Calhoun, as well as Cleburne counties. And speaking of which, some of these are actually producing a little bit of lightning now. But just to give you an idea, with this one particular shower, it's moving towards the south and east. We'll see it moving through Alabaster here soon within the next 8 minutes, then Verbena within 16 minutes. And we've also got this particular cell just now crossing over 231. That is going to pass through St. Ives in 29 minutes. Renfro in 35. This particular cell, same track. If it holds together, we'll see it in Carrera as well as Waldo. But across our area, these showers have been popping up late in the day. Anniston right now, even you've got rain falling near Quintard Mall. It's just going to be a bit slippery to wrap up the evening, but I did want to show you, this is where we did have some of the lightning that's been going on across central Alabama, and this one particular storm now bearing down on Pell City. You can see that we had the lightning become active there, but I wanted to show you this. See that green line that's moving away? That's from an old thunderstorm. That's what we call a boundary, and it's moving, it's just doing its own thing, and then this is the result of that. So that's what we have to really try to look for, is boundaries that flare up into thunderstorms. That boundary helps to become a trigger for those thunderstorms, and it certainly can make it a little tricky, but certainly it does help to get those storms going. Another boundary to our north, we'll have to watch that for the remainder of tonight. I don't think it will have enough energy to get down into our neck of the woods tonight or really have an impact on us. But then throughout the day tomorrow, we'll have scattered showers, thunderstorms right through 4 o'clock. So right place, right time, that is going to be the key. So here's something we haven't talked about much, the tropics. Now, we have had 4 named storms, but this is actually the newest one, which is now tracking towards the west. It is headed towards the Yucatan Peninsula, and it will eventually make its way into parts of at least Mexico, back over into the Bay of Campeche, and that will be where we likely see this storm make its landfall. That being said, I want to emphasize that it is in the Gulf of Mexico. We're going to watch it very carefully because it's that time of the year. We just have to pay close attention. But look at that. That's a very healthy system which is continuing to organize, and that is worth watching for our area. Now let's talk about the Storm Track 7-day, and we'll re-show the next 3 days. Temperatures into the mid-90s, overnights down into the mid-70s. Rain chances just scattered each afternoon. Getting hotter, though, to wrap up the week and into the weekend. Now we're talking dangerous heat once again.